Hey guys, I hope you're all having another great day. Welcome back to the Financial Fox channel. My name is Bob, and today we'll be talking about the top 3 stocks you should be either buying or watching in the month of July. Before we get started, I have listed some of my favorite investing books in the description below and their links. Feel free to check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. It really helps out my channel and it gets the videos out to more people. Now, let's get started. Today, I'll be discussing the top 3 stocks you should either be adding to your watch list or buying them in the month of July. Now, remember, I'm not always buying these 3 stocks every single month, but these stocks are worth mentioning to at least add to your watch lists. I am not a licensed financial broker. At the end of the day, you guys have to do your own research on every investment. With that being said, let's get started on the first stock I'm going to mention today. And that stock is ZM, Zoom Video Communications. Their stock price is almost at an all-time high right now of $248.56 a share. I remember first hearing about their IPO back in last April. Their IPO price was only $65 a share. Now looking back at it, I wish I would have invested in this stock. And my initial thought was they were going to be an imitation of Skype. I mean, who could see this coming? I'll go over what Zoom is real briefly, but I'm pretty sure during these times especially, everybody knows what Zoom offers. Zoom Video Communications is just like how it sounds, as a video communication platform. Their platform offers Zoom video meetings, HD voice, and online chats. These video chats are compatible with desktops, mobile devices, and conference room systems as well. This company was founded back in 2011, and their headquarters are in San Jose, California. With everything going on, the majority of businesses have been negatively affected, while Zoom, on the other hand, has been exploding ever since. Now, let's talk about the stock side portion of Zoom. Zoom priced their IPO at just $65 a share last year, but now their shares are at over $250. Now that's what I call a growth stock. Usually, especially with stocks hitting their almost all-time highs, I'm really not interested in buying those shares. But with Zoom, this could be different. This stock is pretty tempting to me, in my opinion, because I think this will be the new normal. I believe Zoom's video chats will be the new normal, especially for business meetings and other large gatherings. I mean, if you think about it, why would a company pay somebody to fly on an airplane to get to a meeting in another state while they can just have a Zoom meeting instead? Again, though, I try not to buy shares of stocks when they're hitting all-time highs or they're flirting with their all-time highs. I feel like I need to get a good deal when I buy a stock. If Zoom goes down below $200 a share, I will probably be buying. Now, let's move on to that second stock that I'm either watching closely or buying in the month of July. And that second stock is Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Their stock price is currently at $111.52 a share, and they used to offer a dividend, but now they have cut it temporarily. Disney theme parks were supposed to officially open back up on July 11th and July 17th. So, after the rising cases in Florida, Disney World has decided to delay their reopening from July 11th to an uncertain future date. And same thing that goes with Disneyland as well. They were supposed to open in July 17th, and now it's uncertain when their future date will be. Since these parks will be forced to close for a longer amount of time, this will hit Disney's bottom line for this past quarter. I mean, their theme parks accounted for about 40% of their revenue from last year. So as a result, they're scaring the investors, and their stock price has fallen ever since. The stock price just hit an all-time high of $153.41 just this past 6 months. Even with their majority of their amusement parks being forced to close for a long amount of time, I believe Disney will be fine because they're so well diversified. I mean, of course, Disney offers a lot more than just their amusement parks. They offer movies, their streaming services, just like Disney Plus, and their products they sell as well. And in my opinion, the most exciting part of Disney is the streaming service Disney Plus. Disney Plus offers this company a growth factor. Now, short term, this stock could be pretty volatile with everything going on. If this stock dips below $100 a share, I feel like that'd be a great entry point for at least myself. And I also think that they'll eventually bring back that sweet dividend they used to have. So this stock will offer a dividend and it'll be a growth stock as well. The last and final stock that I'm going to mention today is Facebook, ticker symbol FB. This stock is currently at $220.64 a share, and they do not offer a dividend. And I'm sure everybody should at least know what Facebook offers. Facebook actually owns not just Facebook, they own Instagram, they own WhatsApp, they own the Messenger app, and they also own Oculus. Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg in 2004, and their headquarters are in California. Facebook has recently been under fire because of their lack of control of false information and hate speech. And as a result, companies have been boycotting Facebook recently. And some of those companies that are boycotting Facebook are Verizon, Honda, Hershey's, and Starbucks. I mean, even Coca-Cola has paused their advertising on Facebook as well. And this is kind of a big deal because that's how Facebook generates mostly all their revenue is through ads. Their stock price dropped so dramatically last Friday that Mark Zuckerberg was $7 billion poorer. That's right, I said billion with a B. And Facebook's stock was just hitting all-time highs before this news broke out at $245 a share. Now their shares are running around $220 a share. I can possibly see this stock going even further down in the month of July because of everything going on. Now that, in my opinion, is just for the short term. For the long term, I believe Facebook would be totally fine. I mean, they're a cash cow and their financials are great. They have very little debt and a ton of cash on the books. If this short-term news drops Facebook stock shares below $200 a share, I might consider adding more to my position to Facebook. Facebook stock is currently my biggest position in my portfolio, and I'll gladly buy up some more cheaper shares. Leave me a comment and let me know which stocks you guys are either buying or watching in the month of July. I hope I gave you more insight on these possible opportunities. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.